Okay, here we go. Track walk series. South Fork MX. We're gonna walk the track and measure the jumps. Here we go. Track's gonna be a little wet today. It's gonna get ready. Maybe I'll do a good video. Okay, first jump on the track. This is a table. Track, South Fork is known for very good jump faces. Almost perfect track conditions most of the time. Well, I'm gonna say all of the time. Look how perfect that jump face is. The track owner does a good job getting these jumps correct. You don't never have to worry about any kickers or anything. Nice, safe track. All right, let's measure this thing out. Okay, first jump, 65 feet. 65 feet, first tabletop, South Fork. Okay, now let's meet the man behind these perfect faces on these jumps. This is John, track owner.
How you doing?
He's working out here by himself, working hard, getting this track right.
With my track dog, lady.
I appreciate it. Nice berm here. Gonna get up on this berm. That's gonna be beautiful coming around there. Inside line's probably faster still, but it's more fun. More fun getting up on that berm. I'm sure that's where I'll be. Okay, jump number 2. This table's a little bit tricky because it's pointing right off the track. When you go up this table, if you jump it straight, you jump right off the track. So you got a lot of guys jump it right here on this edge. You can almost see the tire tracks from old days where they getting way on the edge of this thing and jumping over here so they can get straight for the rest of this rhythm section or doubles. So let's measure this table. Doesn't look that long. Okay. Right in the sweet spot here where you're gonna land at. Looks like 51 feet. 51 feet, second tabletop, South Fork. Amazing how much longer some of these jumps look when you're walking the track versus riding it. All these doubles look kind of short when you're riding, but when you're measuring it or actually walking the track, it looks pretty long. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Yeah, 51 feet. I imagine all of them are the same, but we're gonna see. Second double. Man, look at the faces of these jumps. You cannot get any more perfect than that. Look at the face of this jump. That is absolute perfection. Woo! Let me tell you, he does a great job. Let's tighten up here. 57 feet. Yeah, a little bit longer on the second double. Let's move on to that step up. This is a great jump right here because you can land, you got such a big landing zone. That always makes for a safe jump. You can over jump it or you can come up a little short and you just got a lot of room to land. Sweet spot to landing is probably about right here. Let's tighten up here. Yep, 69 feet. Ronnie Mac's number. 69 feet to step up South Fork. Let's get on around this corner. We'll see what this dragon's back is all about over here. All right, let's continue on. We've come around the corner here. That's the step up over there. Coming on around this corner. A lot of ruts developing this corner. Coming on around. So this is the dragon's back section. Sometimes I don't know exactly what to do with this thing. It looks like it's a little bit different. Yeah. Looks like it may be fun today. I think you just haul ass through it and just say fuck it, just hit it. I don't even know what to measure here. It's not really a jump, so I'm not gonna measure the dragon's back section. I mean, you could double into it, I guess, but it's not enough of a lip to get enough lip to actually make that double in. I'm not gonna bother measuring it out. Just gonna walk it. Yeah, they're not huge humps. They're more almost like some rollers. So you're not gonna be like jumping and bouncing off of them. You're gonna be like rolling them. This is the last one. You probably just roll all of them, sorta, and then try to get some good speed here. Maybe a little seat bounce so you can make this triple down the hill here. So that's what I'm gonna measure. I'm gonna measure from this hump all the way down to the flat there. All right. You make that triple down the hill here. It's pretty long. That's 71 feet. Let's see if I can make it today. Oh, actually, this is a triple step down. You changed the track a little bit. This is a triple step down here. So you get there and triple on down. It's a good old long ways out there. Let's see what we got. Okay, triple step down. The double is 43 feet. Continue on to the triple. All right, I'll get you right here for the triple. Woo-wee! 84 feet. 84 feet, triple step down. That's gonna be fun. Let's move on. Let's see what this is. This used to be sort of a triple with a real small landing. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's still a triple. Oh yeah, that's way out there. Let's see what we got. It's a long way. Okay, the double. Tighten up a bit. The double, I'm gonna give you 60 feet. 60 feet gets you the double. Let's move on to the triple. I think I'll probably make it about right here. 82 feet if I'm lucky. That's probably the best I can do. If you get on down here, it is a long way. Nice and safe though. Oh man. What do you want to call it? 109 feet. 109 feet. But real safe. Because you can land anywhere on that table there. So that'll be, if you can do it, you just jumped 100 feet. Well, 109 feet. Safely. Okay, let's move on. But this is a great time to show you my Hunt the Front t-shirt. This is my favorite YouTube page, Hunt the Front. They race dirt late models. That's probably what I'll be doing after I finish messing with these dirt bikes. All right, let's continue. What do we got here? A little teeny table here. So small, even I can do it. Got two little tables. Let's see what we got. First table is 40 feet. $65 feet. That's the next table there, 65 feet. Okay, so after those small jumps, we come around and look at this berm he got for us today. Woo! You're gonna get right up on that berm and ride it all the way around, just like Tomac. It's gonna be a fun day. Woo! That's gonna be a deep landing. When you land off of this, what do you want to call this? This is basically it's like a table because the takeoff is the same. The takeoff lip is about the same as the landing lip. So it's basically a table with a dip in it. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm guessing you want to land about right here. $75 feet. All right. The jump before the finish line. Let's see what we got. And I say you want to land about right here. It's a good sweet spot to land. I'll give you about right there. Tighten up a bit. 76 feet. 76 feet. Get you that first one. All right, here we go. So this finish line here, you can jump in and land onto the flat spot there, or you can go all the way and clear it. Let's see what we got. And And I'll give you about right here is where we want to be landing. "92 feet. 92 feet. Finish line. South Fork MX." All right, and there you have it. South Fork MX, all measured out. Thanks for watching.